Hope, dreams, imagination, courage. These powerful words remind us that science is not just test tubes, microscopes, and chemical reactions. Science is about people. From the brilliant and dedicated researchers working in the laboratories, to the visionaries supporting trailblazing research, to the general public, the ultimate beneficiaries of the scientists' hard work. Jonas Salk understood that the pivotal research discoveries about the molecular origins of health and disease would come from the rare scientists possessing the exceptional intelligence, curiosity, passion, and drive to achieve the hopes and dreams of humanity. Dr. Salk's first dream was fulfilled in 1955 when his polio vaccine was proven safe and effective in preventing this life-threatening disease. Just 5 years later, he was ready to fulfill his second dream, the Salk Institute for Biological Studies. Here, perched on the cliffs overlooking the Pacific Ocean and on the cutting edge of research, are laboratories that delve into the intricate architecture of the brain, probe the molecular pathways that prompt tiny seeds that will sprout into fruit-bearing plants, and illuminate the shapes of proteins because they offer clues to the molecular origins of health and disease. In these labs, scientists are revealing the biological principles that govern life at all levels, from the individual cell to the human being. The scientists at Salk are devoted to the most basic level of research where diseases begin. Devastating diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, diabetes, and AIDS. But it goes beyond disease. Hunger and malnutrition impair the health and life of 90 million children worldwide, a grim statistic that must be addressed. Which is why Salk scientists include plant biology as a key part of their effort. Research targeted at boosting the productivity and yield of crops. Such basic research often has unexpected findings. Studying the genes of plants, flies, or worms may unmask the function of human genetic structure. New cancer medications may be discovered using basic research into genetic signaling mechanisms. Leading the Salk labs are 58 faculty members, scientists who are considered among the most productive and influential in the world. They also serve as mentors to graduate students from the University of California at San Diego, as well as newly minted researchers in the early stages of their careers. It is clear that the Salk Institute nurtures the brightest minds in the scientific community. Jonas Salk envisioned a research facility staffed by extraordinary people. That's why he wanted the Institute's design, its physical space, to be extraordinary. A work of art that serves the work of science. To create it, he enlisted the bold architect, Louis Kahn. The March of Dimes provided the startup funds. The city of San Diego, the land. Over the past 40 years, the design of the Institute has proven to be practical as well as beautiful. Built from rugged, raw materials, concrete, teak, and steel, these buildings require little upkeep. Valuable resources can remain concentrated on the science. Open labs inside these symmetrical buildings encourage the free exchange of ideas. The collaboration and synergy that distinguish Salk scientists accelerate the pace of scientific discovery. Hope, dreams, imagination, courage. More than words, they are beliefs and values that inspire us today, inspire the scientists and staff at the Salk Institute, and our partners in discovery whose support enables Salk's exceptional scientists to ask the tough questions, to challenge scientific thinking, to dare to make dreams into reality. We thank you, our donors and partners.